So guys, today is Saturday. I'm so excited because we want to make a special sandwich for you. I know you're gonna love it. I know you're going to enjoy it. And this is the sandwich that we're gonna make. I want to ask the author's name. Mike, what we're gonna make today?
A BLT.
Hello champions, beautiful people, how are you today? Today we're gonna make a special BLT on a bagel. We're gonna add some cheese. It's going to be amazing. We're gonna call it after one of our friends, Mike B's BLT. Many of you wondering why I haven't made some videos, but the reason is that I've been so busy with my family, with my church, because I serve the Lord with all my heart. But here I am, and thank you for taking your time to watch these videos, because I know you're going to learn how to make a delicious BLT. And this BLT is after my friend's Mike. He's the guy who inspired me to make this video. Also, I want to thank you, all of you guys, Broda, my father Papito, Alexander, and Lily, all of you guys who inspired me to create these videos and never quit of this amazing channel. So this is the bagel that we're going to use. So my friends, I'm going to add some delicious butter. It's going to be just amazing how it tastes. Oh my goodness, I just love it. The butter turns a different color. I want to put it away. You know, if you know what's the name of this thing exactly, because I don't really know how it's called properly. All I know it's called the waiter, something like that. The weights. So this is beef. This is the beef. This is our delicious beef bacon. So right now, my friends, I'm just going to let the bacon be cooked, and hey, this is the bacon right now. This is our beef bacon, and it's just so delicious. I like the way it looks. That's a really nice color. Once it's in my stomach, it's going to be so much better. This is the Resin bagel. You see guys, it's really nice. It's almost 3 o'clock Saturday. Here we're making a special BLT. Last time that we made the BLT, we have avocado, but today we don't have avocado, so we're not gonna use avocado. So finally, I'm going to add mayonnaise. Lettuce, tomato, salt, pepper. Vinegar. You know guys, one of the good things that I like about cooking is when I see cheese melting on anything, on meat, on bacon, on everything, on the bread. It just looks so delicious that I love it. It just looks so delicious. So next time you go to a store and you know what to order, now you have an idea to order a beef bacon on a everything bagel, on a Resin bagel this time. So that's a great idea, so you can have a nice sandwich and enjoy it for a good price. This BLT costs $5, so it's not that expensive and very affordable and so delicious. Make sure, tell the guys, make it crispy and make it with a lot of love. That's the secret to have a really nice breakfast. Look, it just looks amazing. Now I'm going to grab it, put it over here. Oh my God. You see, guys? Wow, look at that. That's a really nice sandwich. I hope you guys like this video, like the way I make it. If I can do it, you can do it also, because you know we have the ability, the hands given by God. That means we can do everything. So make sure you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.